she's gonna get the digit that we made. Whoa, look at it! Whoa, it's like foam! So she's got like a little butter knife, a plastic one. And she's got to cut into it. Because we put some surprises inside of it, didn't we?
Yeah, I'm gonna start going this way.
Okay. Hey, where's the assistant at?
I'm right here!
Assistant, are you ready to make the world's biggest digit with Paw Patrol and PJ Masks toys?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so we're gonna make a giant digit. Now parents, this is how you can make digits and toys with your kids.
Right.
Are you gonna be excited for this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing we do is we have an animal cracker container right there.
Right there.
So will you take that? Okay. Actually, why don't you come in front of the barrel first?
Okay.
Okay, so the assistant's wearing latex gloves and her lab coat. Because you don't want this on your hands, right?
No.
Not until it dries. So let's make our digit. Okay, assistant. First, you're gonna add the part A. And we're gonna make a polymer. So she's gonna put that whole bottle in, right?
Right.
So she's gonna dump it right inside that container. Just like that.
It looks like syrup.
It does, it looks like syrup. Now she's gonna put the lid back on. Now she's gonna put about 20 drops of food coloring in. And we decided to make this one blue. Because if you don't, it's just gonna be really clear. So she's putting in the food coloring. It doesn't look like much right now, does it, people at home?
No.
It doesn't look like anything at all. Good job, assistant.
Okay.
All right, now she's gonna put in the part B chemical, and this is what makes our digit material. So she's got the lid back on the food coloring. All right, so we got our food coloring in it, and now she's going to add
Part B.
and then we've got to stir it. She's gonna hand it to me, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. So she's gonna dump it all in super fast. All right, now she's gonna stir it a little bit. Is it all in?
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Now she's gonna stir it a little bit. Put that lid on. She's gonna hand it to me. Stir it, stir it, stir it.
Tell me when to hand it to you.
Okay, hand it to me real quick, assistant.
Here you go.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit more chemicals in because we've got to make it fill that whole tub.
Yeah, and we're gonna put some eggs in there.
Show us what those eggs look like. And they all got surprises in them, right?
Right, and we're gonna put them in this container once all the chemicals are in.
So once we start making our formula, we're gonna put those in, right?
We're gonna put all the
And then
eggs
we're gonna dig it, just like a regular digit, right?
Yeah, but first we have to let it dry.
Yeah, it's got what they call cure. Okay, why don't you move those eggs?
But on the bottom,
You stir it, assistant, you stir it real well. Make sure you don't drop it.
Okay.
So it looks like some of the food coloring's in there. So make it, when you stir it, it probably would help to actually hold it. There you go, and stir while holding. But even then, you probably want to hold it on the ground and not in your lap like that.
Oh, with that?
Like that. There you go. That's the best way to stir it.
And don't do it inside.
All right. So I'm going to stir it a little bit more, and then we're going to add it to our mix. Right?
Right. Mr. Engineer, what do you guess the eggs will do? Like when they get...
Do you think they're going to sink or not sink?
They're going to sink. But do you think it's going to fill up with... Should I keep stirring it or
No,
pour it
go
in?
ahead and pour it in. So make sure that it doesn't pour on top of the yardstick. So she's going to gently put that out of the way and make sure that she doesn't get it on her clothes or step on it. She's going to dump that in. And I'm going to help her out real quick. And it's just going to fill the whole bottom of it up with our special foam, right?
Right.
Okay, so it kind of looks like a really light blue, right?
Right.
Okay, let's wait 1 second and then we're going to add some eggs.
Okay.
Ready? Why don't you get the first big egg and add it?
Big egg.
Yep, add it in there. Good job. All right, now add another egg.
Blue.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, drop that one in.
Oh,
Maybe.
did you see it bounce?
Yeah, so you want to sink it in a little bit. Okay, assistant. So we've got them inside our tub, and we've got our special mold release on there so they'll come free, right?
Right.
And so we're going to open them up, and then we got to dig for them, right? It's going to be the world's biggest digit.
Yeah.
Now, it's going to be pretty cool or what?
It's going to be pretty cool.
All right. Okay, assistant. Now we've waited. How long? About a day, right?
Yeah, about a day.
All right. Let's see what that looks like. Can you get that out of there?
Yeah, sure.
So she's gonna get the digit that we made. Whoa! Look at it. Whoa! It's like foam. All right. Now we can remove the tub, and the assistant can start to dig into it. Right?
Right.
There it is. So here's the assistant, and we've got our digit. Now we're gonna do it right here in this cardboard, so that, well, it might make a mess, right?
Right.
So here we go. So she's got like a little butter knife, a plastic one. And she's got to cut into it, because we put some surprises inside of it, didn't we?
Yeah, I'm gonna start going this way.
Okay. So let's see. Are you gonna be able to find the toys that are inside of it?
Hopefully.
Now we actually made this, people at home. This is what we made.
Earlier. This is what we made earlier.
So this, remember, we made a polymer with the chemicals that we had. Okay, so the assistant's gonna open up. Oh, she's trying to crack it in half.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. So we're using a plastic knife because, you know, we don't want to get anybody cut, right?
Right.
Toys inside of it. Hey, do you know what toys are in there?
No.
Here, let me help you real quick. I'll see. So we can just take it and watch. You can actually kind of like saw right through it. Right?
Right. I just like popping the little bubbles.
So show me how you can pop the little bubbles.
Like that.
Whoa.
They're everywhere. Right there.
Wow.
I might want to start one going this way just in case.
Oh, wow. All right, so we're going to cut it open and see what's inside of it. Because this is a fun surprise video that parents can make with their kids, right?
Right.
It's safe and everything. Let's see if we can break it open. Ready?
Ready.
You get one side and I'll get the other.
Okay.
All right, assistant, you ready?
Set.
All right. You know what you can do?
What?
I think it'll work. You could jump on it.
Jump on it?
Yeah, why don't you jump on it? Let's see what happens.
Okay.
All right, we're going to wait 1 second. We got to make sure that people at home can see it. All right, assistant, jump on it. Let's see if we can crack it open. Oh, that
I
didn't
need
work.
to do it harder.
You need to jump in for my surprises. Oh, that didn't work. Harder.
Oh, I don't want to.
Not quite. Get in there.
There's my foot mark.
Oh, I can't see it. Let's go again. Maybe do it more towards the middle.
Okay.
Oh, you cracked it good. Again. One more. Jump hard. Both feet.
This is my good foot.
Oh, look at that. She's almost got it. One more. Tear it open, assistant. You can do it. She got it. Whoa, we found our first 2 eggs.
Whoa.
Oh, let's get them out.
There's a smooth mark right there.
Oh, look, you can see where the eggs were.
And there's a little paint came off of it.
Oh, a little paint came off it? Really?
Now, just need to dig through that.
Okay.
This really is a big digget.
It really is. It's a giant digget with lots of fun surprises. Let me see if I can help you get one out. Oh, so here's the egg that was inside of it. Let's see who we have.
We got Poppy.
You found Poppy from what movie?
Trolls.
Poppy from Trolls.
Wow.
She's the first member of the surprise eggs that we found inside of the digget.
She's dancing because she's the first one.
Okay. So we've got more to get out, right?
Right. Let's open.
Let's go. So assistant, the first one we found had Poppy in it, right? And we see another egg right there, right? So let me show.
Right.
What do you want to show me?
So I had this hole and I put this thingamajigger in it.
Okay.
And it's stuck all the way down. And I'm gonna make one right now, a new one.
Oh, so you know what? Screwdrivers would probably work really well in that, right?
Right.
All right, so let's turn that around so we can see
around.
it. So look, there's an egg right there. Do you see it, people at home? The egg that she's trying to dig out of there? Oh, she's not got it yet. All right, grab the bottom part. Let's see. Oh, what's in there really good, isn't it? Oh, wait a minute, the egg opened.
You got it. Oh,
Who's in there?
Vampirina.
Vampirina. Oh, and I got the rest of the egg out.
Look, the paint is in there.
Oh, look, some of the paint came off of it right there.
She's dancing in my heel.
Well, that's the assistant. You can't really see it, but that's where the assistant jumped up and down on it.
Yeah.
So we've gotten 2 surprise eggs, and now we've got to get more, right?
Right.
All right, we might need some bigger tools.
Yeah, go get some bigger tools.
Okay.
It looks like plastic right here.
It does look like plastic right there. Pretty cool.
It feels like plastic.
Okay, let's see if the assistant can pop some of this off. Ready? So the assistant's gonna try it. Ooh, she took a big piece off there, right?
Right, I love big pieces.
She likes taking the big pieces off. All right. All right.
Found something.
You did? Wow, what did she find? All right, you grab that piece and pull. Ready?
Ready and pull!
Whoa!
We did it!
We got it! Look, another egg right there! And look, I think there's an egg right there too! We found 2 more! Alright, so she's got to get that one out. You got it! Good job!
The egg kind of cracked.
That's okay.
We got gecko!
Gecko was inside of it! Good job! Wow, so
took
she
a lot of hard work.
It did, because these tickets are a lot harder than the other ones, right?
Right, they're a lot bigger.
And I think there's an egg right there as well, right?
Yeah, I'll get it out really quick.
I hear something else inside of that one.
Keep that.
Sister, we made some progress. I'll pull it apart. See what you got. Oh look, there's a blue egg. It's exposed now too, right?
Right.
So you got a blue egg.
You
got a screwdriver right here. And then that white egg, right?
Right. That white egg.
Go on, I can probably help you pull some of this off.
Oh! Yeah!
So wait, what was it? Oh, Mickey was inside of it! He popped right out!
Yeah, and the polka dots are on there.
Oh, look, the polka dots, you're right, they came off the egg and went right onto the container. So we found Mickey, we found Gecko, and we still have this blue egg, right? Right here. Oh, I think we might have just opened it. Are these eggs easy to get out? There we go. Let's see what's inside of that one. They're hard to get out, aren't they? Let's see if we can just pull that egg out of there. Ready? Hold that foam and we'll see. And we found Marshall from Paw Patrol.
Look, there's the lines.
Oh yeah, you're right. There are the lines on it. Pretty cool. So we found Gecko, Marshall, Vampirina, Poppy, and Mickey Mouse. So that's 5. Do you think? It sounds like there's another one in that.
Yeah, but let's check this one. There's another one in this one.
Oh, okay.
Well, it sounds like 2 more eggs.
Let's see if we can get to them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we made more progress. Let's see if we can get that piece right there open.
This one?
Yeah, that one right there. Let's see what we can do. We got it torn open. And then there's another egg, right?
Right.
So
here's a big one.
So she's going to take a screwdriver, try to open it up. Ooh, I think we broke the egg. That's okay. Oh, good job! Alright, I'll tell you what. I'll work on that. And I think there's another egg right inside of this piece right here. 2.
Got it!
You got it?
I think.
Okay, I think you're right. I think you almost have it. So she's got to dig it out.
Yeah, I think I got it.
Oh, good job. So I'm surprised that's very deep in there, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I think I opened it.
You think you did too? You found... Oh, she fell out of there. It already fell out. You found Sky.
Sky.
From...
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol. Good job.
Thanks.
Oh. All right, now I think there's another one inside this piece right here. I kind of got... See if you can pull them apart.
I see it.
So there's the egg. Now let's open that up. These are pretty hard to get out, aren't they?
Yeah.
kind of a messy video. We're thinking we probably wish we did this outside.
Yeah.
Outside. This is more of an outside
Yeah,
thing.
if you ever do this, do it outside.
Yeah, for sure. There you go. Good job. And inside of it we have
Romeo!
Romeo. I wonder, that's so cool. So we found Romeo, we found Catboy, Sky, Marshall, Vampirina, and Poppy. And look at all this that we have right here, people. Whoa, is that
Another one?
We made a pretty big mess. I think that's all we have.
Yeah!
So much fun. So Sissa, which was your favorite character that we found inside of our super giant Dig-It?
Poppy.
Poppy. That was a pretty cool one. Okay, people at home, let us know. Have your parents leave a comment if they want to find out how you can make these super giant Dig-Its, right?
Right, and also this looks like a piece of cake. Like the different layers.
Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, everyone, have a great day.
Bye!
Bye. Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye.